Do you ever find yourself feeling constantly thirsty? Does this feeling make you feel sad, alone, and depressed? Are you always reaching for that one last drop of water? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then I have the perfect solution for you.
Friends. I mean, it's water, isn't it?
It's just
Yo, I got water.
Yes, it's water.
More watery. It's more watery than water. Right?
Water is constantly in use. And just because we have to drink it doesn't mean there aren't any other uses for it. Water can be used for so many different recreational activities outside of drinking. One use is boiling. The boiling point is the temperature at which a liquid boils and turns into vapor. Boiling and heating up water can be used in many different ways, such as taking a dip in the nice warm jacuzzi after a long, stressful day at work. It can also be used to make many foods, like hard-boiled eggs for a tasty, healthy breakfast option. The next use of water is freezing. The freezing point is the temperature at which a liquid turns into a solid when it is cooled. The freezing point becomes especially helpful to make ice cubes. No, not that ice cube. These ice cubes. Ice cubes are a great way to add to water to make it cool and to a soft drink to make it extra fizzy. Now, I did say that water can be used for recreational use. Frozen water over lakes can be used to ice skate on. Ice skating is a great place to go with your family and even take a date. Next up is surface tension. Now imagine this. It's a nice, calm, summer day, and you're just relaxing by the pool. You get onto this floaty and just vibe. Now, none of this would be possible without surface tension. Surface tension is the tension of the surface film of a liquid caused by the attraction of the particles in the surface layer by the bulk of the liquid, which tends to minimize surface area. Surface area is the reason you are able to float on a floaty in a pool or at the ocean. Now, is it getting hot in here, or is it just me? Anyway, latent heat is the heat required to convert a solid into a liquid or vapor, or a liquid into a vapor. This can also be used when cooking food, such as steaming a fish. And if you're still not relaxed enough from the pool, you can go to a sauna where vapor is used to relax your body and skin. Another property of water is viscosity. Viscosity is how thick a liquid is. Viscosity can be caused by a lot of internal friction. A food with high viscosity is peanut butter. Peanut butter is a naturally thick substance. Along with peanut butter, honey is also very thick and has a high viscosity. Honey and peanut butter are both spreads that can be put on almost anything to add a tasty twist. Cohesion keeps water together. When cohesion takes place, water beads up on the hydrophobic surface. This helps clean surfaces like the kitchen counter, the toilet, or the bathroom. Density makes up the three different states of water: liquid, solid, and gas. Wait a minute. There are 3 different states of water? That's like a 3-for-1 deal. Damn! And they come with all different density.
My God! Wow! Oh my God!
This is a once-in-a-lifetime deal. Water is also considered the universal solvent. Water is one of the best dissolvers out in the world today. In this video, you can see water is dissolving the candy. It is also good for when you're sick and you need to gargle some salt water. Water is everywhere on our planet today. It makes up about 70% of the planet. But so many people go without drinking clean water each day. Water is a necessity that few can afford. Water is essential to life. It keeps us clean, it keeps us healthy, and it keeps us happy. And the last property of water, intermolecular forces. These forces mediate interactions between molecules, including forces of attraction and or repulsion. And if you still aren't convinced to come get some water, here are some cool facts. Did you know that 70% of the human brain is composed of water? And according to the New York Times, Americans consume more than 40 billion glasses of water each day. And according to the American Health Association, drinking too much water can be as fatal as not drinking any water at all. What are you still doing here? Go buy some water! Water, available at a store near you.